Okay, next it is smoking. What is there in smoking? That is cigarettes, bees, cigars, etc. are made of a substance that is called tobacco, and it makes us addicted. Tobacco smoke contains tar. These are the chemical substances, nicotine, and some 27 to 30 other poisonous substances. These lines are very important for your objective. Okay, what does tobacco smoke contains? What does it contain? It contains tar, nicotine, and some 27 to 30 other poisonous substances. Some children begins to smoke cigarette at a very younger age. You have seen also in the streets. Sometimes they don't do have to go to school. They are having less money or no money at all. So what did they do? They just involve in child labor, and in the spare or leisure time they just move on to this bad addictions. They smoke in the company of their friends. They do not know what will happen to their health, because they don't know, they don't have got education, they don't know about the harmful effects of smoking, so they go on having them all. They think it makes them appear more grown up, so by having that they feel themselves that they have grown up like adults, so they are in a habit of taking those substances. How is smoking injurious to health? So how does it so much injurious? What does it affect? What are the harmful effects? Now you are going to read. Tobacco is a slow poison. Underline everyone. You must have seen cigarette packing contain warning that smoking is injurious to health. So although people are seeing that it is written over the packet that smoking is injurious to health, but still what happens? Individuals are getting addicted, because once they have it for once, they will be eager for it for more, and increasingly each and every day they will go on having it in larger amount. In the beginning, nicotine in tobacco smoke activates the nervous system. So first of all, it will activate the nervous system, but after that it will paralyze. It will make the nervous system paralyzed. That is, some of the nerve will not work properly. It will make them malfunctioning. It will not function properly. Therefore, the students who smoke cannot study well. So very important. You just see. So whenever you are seeing anyone around you, you will make them aware. You will give them these informations. The various poisons and chemicals in tobacco smokes are very irritating to the internal covering of our body, like mouth, tongue, respiratory passage, and this can cause cancer. So just now I have told you that mouth, this when we are smoking in, or individuals are smoking in, it will cause irritations to the inner walls of our body, mainly our alimentary canal and also the respiratory passage, that is from the windpipe into the lungs, and it will affect to such an extent that it may cause the dangerous deadly disease which is having no cure, that is cancer. Tobacco tar is brown sticky substance. It adds to the taste of the cigarette. Filters on cigarette take a little of the tar from the smoke but reduce the taste. The smokers therefore increase the intake in an attempt to get the same. So what happens? We have just read about that the tobacco smoke contains tar, and tar is a sticky substance where if you are having no filter in the cigarette or BD, what will happen? This tar will directly enter our lungs, and this sticky substance will get accumulated inside our lungs and blocking our lungs and giving some other chemical reactions which may again lead to this kind of dangerous diseases like cancer. Every cigarette smoked will cut your life by 14 minutes. So every time a person is having cigarette, it is deducting the time, that is 14 minutes every day. So smoking is very harmful. So smoking is habit forming and difficult to give up once started. So once some individual have started it, it is very difficult for them to give it up. You have seen in some advertisement also, there are some tablets they are taking to have to just get relief of the habit of taking cigarettes. So there are many means, but it is very tough for one to get out of this habit. Also, it costs money. If you do not smoke, you will not only enjoy good health, but also you can save a lot of money. Yes, financial also perspective is there. It is having, when someone is buying that he has get become addicted, what will happen? More and more money will be wasted every month to buy those harmful things, harmful substances. So and also it will affect the health of the person. So by avoiding this harmful habit, we can maintain our good health along with our money. It is better not to start it.